Eye n'Ensoko TV Oboroso bw'umugusi. Mwanchumo uligaria Ensoko TV na gukwandire andonsi asore mbiyamona soko choregeta sini kiga Ensoko TV chinga kechiga ase obutuko bwiga bwe 24 na kana somutinyo mutangani omwaka bwechiri bubere 25 na isano ne mokoro iga sobo gatagati bumucho Nairobi ase ensi ya Kenya ensanemo ya bono butuko na senchira bengo kwaligania semesa yama yakuru Ensoko ensa emo tosange na kurigeria nararia ya ainekiwe ase bitukeriga hiriye sabato naboigaria bariki baito bamangana basangereri kuru ase mambi yaringe entambe kwikachinga kechiga nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri bagaria bakombwata sia kuru ase studio ya Kabere chinga kechigo chikoenekia amarigine chibicha ngochara senchirengia twagusabire karanso ikobe na intwe kurubono wika omweri nyaraboigo abogosangana intwe kwetera se mitandao yito yekerero una Facebook na YouTube akotonyara una Ensoko TV wasase mitandao yane una Clinton Ndigi karanso ke asenge ncheme sema yakuru Ensoko ensa eyamo achakira bona. Karibu sana mwanchumo rigereria bona senchira ya bene tugochaka kuruase county ya Nyamira nsemo ya GTSC kutoka se ward ya Bogichora nsemo ya bunge ya West Mugirango asomo seneta we county ya Nyamira Mheshimiwa Okongo Omogeni hagendreire koenekia amaborio ochia se serikali ya county ya Nyamira hanemono asamo chiru botumeki obobe wechibesa kuruase kegancha kirikia World Bank gentokia irire ekegancha ekyo gotenenia obokoreri bwaye ne serikali ya county yo gwika amaborio yegati chibesa ichichia tuwikira nemeroberio au ase county yo anyara ko baga kuranirwa asenchiringia
ntubwade program twarwandire na senator ekorukoro World Bank HSA county ya Nyamira ekonya mangana a climate change nenjere ko tokonya ngeringa abangina moko nyaguta chinko eliyo kirianya gutera gukigora kibese kitomere goche county kibagorere kigashe kicia cyakikoro kumeko mwete meko mubagerwe abangina goete county nje wono ekero World Bank yaje gutara Nyamira geko inde county yake byo mugabana ngatuira ngo toro kigurubu cy'abangina bari baheru kimeko gaho no batenga document zirikoreka kibesa kitomire ese ebijana bayito bakonywe gukore biasara ubutaka boke mwawe metana y'echinchoke elindo ubutaka wae mwale taruchikula chombe chenu che uchimbe chingia elinde usobutaka mbwe bona kibese kibina chigete county ya Nyamira abantu bawa abantu be ministry koru ministry yetende the lands public works housing and urban development batebire ngabese cyo cyasirire njiri kororekana ese kusabangira mwairu bone binde mwata waje mwairu na korere kinawe mwabiru wande kake abantu baminto toto kubori kibazo cyakira ngayici akire uki mbabengo boje egendo totagete ubumaene ubumanyekane nekibazo kikoro World Bank kigocha kikonye umo Nyamira ekina kiyoka nawe gosa Mwancho murigaria totegarita se homoyego yuyo moseneta homogeni boigo nigarokana komoche serikali ya Kenya kwanza hase ogotaikirania hemeroberio ya yebune bwendreta 7 inchi aboigo horokana komochia obotumiki hobobe we chinguru wetania kerengo asigati yabarai bari bakwa okoboko Mheshimiwa Dr. Fred Matiang'i aseganga yaye yokoriye kergo kyobora ibwensa sobochorio banne bori bosio umwako gocha igaburira bananchi kurwa se county ya Nyamira nabo igorwa ngorwa gusi kwene kyabuna ngwesoke bari na kweri kyabuna baki chikura kwene kyabuna mbachi kumusira oyo mwabo nandi kumota nyoraiga gusabet ikyagara ondo gwesho korekana ngakuga Fred Matiang'i abakore bitine bine baso nyonga ngwa kwa na mangana kibage oroche umachumbo Kitutu South, Kitutu Chache South, Anthony Kibagenge. Hapo watu Nairobi kuna terrorist. Yani street ya kanete Nairobi, jika ali sita, jika ali kurusa isato, jisubaru isato. Jito mire kwa watu machumbo, yani watoa buwaga mwandiwashi kwa watu makiaji. Jika ngoja kwa kore tu kitani kuna. Oroche nko mwati kwa Nairobi, jisubaru ya jiba ikanje baadiba. Karongo jago kakisi, bamubekere polisi kisi, ando bayikora naongoja kwa takaba mukamiro chinya. Ningo ikanyamira urusi ukero. Mami ndo akiyombo ya. Sasa utuko na ningo ikakero. Goma ina oko woja kumuira kina kisi. Ayocho jamandi to kisi, ando nikibanga na ogara agocha kuto. Ningo boka naenda mandi. Naenda chiko nyara atabaga ata yumo sigari kamera kwa mgeni si kama tabanta mili wajinaru wata ito kuchi kwa ngare report yoda basi karama tuko 21 na uchunguzi wakaendelea kuna nyasa karo muya bila pale kabengia tukatacheka aline chinguru ngaikanaro ngaje kumurwanirira umushimio uyo akabwato na alisika nyasa galio muya moro aseni nje bitina lakini nje kwa sababu marina nyasa na ne kukunga taberenga umane nyasa na iro mugetira udia kamoch moro chinya makiagi unaso ete kia makiagi biri opinion polls ya mukire igoro bona bako minyoka na William Ruto oitani baka karoz bona ga karibetie ese William Ruto mondo bwa kabogo ire matia mo president are echireni akainde uruzambia no ma Adventista mwezi dio mko jeno ya nyasa ngo konya 2027 ma Adventista aikara ngaso president basa wamari nyasa to kanyao asante.
Toska vosi mwanchu murgeri sensemo yechisemi bona borkia banene bechi skuru hinse yo obose hinse yechikanisa chia PAG horogongorwa gusi nigo bomerana ase kanisa yo ya PAG hasubo gatagatu mocho bosonge county ya Kisii eriko kwandra emeroberio egandrate kone kiwase chi skuru echo haniga gocha maiga yegati yabarimu abanene bechi skuru echo kunyarko bagochererwa ande mona sensemo yemitandao kubwatikana no gokoria bube ase amatemwa KCSE yo mwako eta asabange banyarko bakuru kubole uchase wizara echisemi kubeka emeroberio yokubarenda akoba Rwanda obwene bwaba kero bagendete kweroberia kwene kya kubwatoka chisemi gochia sabarkiwa
for examinations and other church activities within our sponsored schools. Some persons wanting to appear like they are fighting for education, but anyhow trying to tarnish our schools in the manner that they didn't perform very well in the examinations. Play your politics somewhere where your politics will be valid. Otherwise, at school and in educational matters, please off. This has enough stakes to deal with issues in a school. We have our county director of education, sub-county directors are there, the sponsors are there.
What I can advise on education, our parents, even if the responsibility is on the government, let us as parents, support education. We are given everything, including admission, including everything. Then you request for transport to take your daughter, your son, to another school. Where are we taking the nation?
These are our MPs. If there is money that can be set aside for purpose of supporting school development and also the children in school, we request that they do so. In fact, we know that our politicians are able and they have the goodwill, they can support where possible.
Wancho murigaria totigarita singana yechisemi mawaziri hotenete wizara yechisemi Mheshimiwa Julius Migosi Ogamba nigo haenekire serikali wethera se wizara yaye nigo yabekire meroberio yogocha kubwatoka chibesa ochiase chiskure kira chego konya gukinia ebirengo byebirasi nabo yogo gukinia meroberio yaborokiwa ase chiskuru icho na kweneka aborokwa nkonyora bare chisemi nigo bono hatebire nige meroberio yabekire yogocha kweneka aborokwa bonsi bari baikaransira amatemo abo yogocha gosoase grade 10 mbachi kwenekiwa yogocha chisemi chabari borio kakubwatakana no bochika kumura ibwense banyara kuba bagwikirana babwate school fees bose mbabwati.
It is indeed true that some of the schools have not had any students applying to them. So as a ministry, we are going to look at the exit data that we are going to receive after today, so that we can be able to tell which schools have received which numbers and which other schools have not received any particular students, in order for us to be able to optimize and rationalize the resources that we have in the ministry, in order for redistribution of those resources to ensure that the schools that have students have the adequate facilities to enable those students undertake their programs in an environment that is education friendly. We are doing a reform in the sector, and these particular challenges and issues that have come at the right time so that we can be able to resolve them. Yesterday, through the presidential, we directed that all the principals in the country admit the students who had hitherto not joined school, whether they had school uniforms or there's fees outstanding. And we directed that the sub-county directors and our officers will collect the data of those students who have then joined in order for us to make a decision on how to handle that space going forward. This was a new placement system that we are using, and we anticipated these challenges. By yesterday morning, before that particular directive was given, we had placed a total of 92% of our students. So the 8% are the ones that had these challenges, and we're going to be able to resolve it. I urge the parents not to worry. The government has taken the duty to ensure that all our students are in school, and we've done 100%, or we're going to do 100% transition by today, and we'll make the right decisions based on the data that we'll get. So in a nutshell, I'm only saying that the government is committed to ensure that no child is left behind because of their condition in terms of availability of resources or issues relating to uniforms. Those are the programs that we are dealing with as a ministry and as a government. In terms of capitation, you very well know that this term, for the first time since the beginning of capitation was released to schools 2-3 days before the schools opened, and these principals here can confirm that fact. We released 44 billion shillings of capitation on the 2nd of this month when schools were opening on 5th. In terms of textbooks, as of yesterday, grade 10 textbooks, 50% of them had been distributed, and we intend to ensure that the balance is done within the next 2 weeks by the 31st of this month.
Tukoska abosio mwanchomo rigereria aborokiwa be college na Boigo University kurwa sensemo yebungi abo machoge chache county ya Kisii nigo bayesokire na komochemero berio yokobwatu kwa which basari go chiase aborokiwa ide kwegenderia se chisemi chabo chigoro nigo bono bakwanire okobwatu kwa basari chigo chiase aborokiwa abake egentu yatigire omubaro omonge bwaborokiwa abo gotanyora bosigo tanyora obakonyi bo kwegenderia se baburiri abarai na boigane mone wizara chisemi bekemero berio kwanakia bachiko konyo iri kwegenderia se chisemi chabo.
So here today are comrades from Bomachoge Chache, drawn from various institutions. We have gathered here to address the CDF office of Bomachoge Chache. So in respectful and constructive manner, the events that took place at Mogi grounds, parents were invited to collect bursary forms, yet many were made to wait for long hours only for the forms to arrive in limited numbers. Unfortunately, this led to confusion, frustration, and unnecessary tension among parents. We acknowledge that bursary programs are designed to support education and ease the burden of families. However, the manner in which this exercise was conducted fell short of expectations of the community and did not reflect the dignity owed to the parents. In this regard, we respectfully call upon the CDF office of Bomachoge Chache, together with the area EMBA and the entire CDF management, to consider adopting modern electronic system for bursary application and allocation. Many constituencies have successfully embraced online platforms where bursary forms are applied for or downloaded greatly improving efficiency and fairness. An electronic system would help promote equitable distribution, enhance transparency and accountability, and reduce opportunities for mismanagement of bursary funds. Most importantly, it would save time and prevent a recurrence of such unfortunate incidents. Our intention today is not to assign blame, but to encourage dialogue, improvement, and collaboration for the benefit of our community. We believe that with the right systems in place, future bursary exercises can be conducted smoothly and with respect for all.
Mimi kama mwanafunzi binafsi, kuna bursaries ambazo zimetolewa na CDF ambayo inafaa kutusaidia sisi kama wanafunzi. Tumepata kwamba hata ile picha tuliona pale ya wazazi kuwa wanasukumwa kwa sababu ya bursaries kuja katika kiwango ambacho ni chache sana. Tafadhali, kwa heshima ambayo ulichaguliwa na wazazi wetu ambao unapaswa kuwasaidia kwa hizi bursaries, achilia hizi bursaries situsaidie sisi kama wanafunzi, na ambao wanaenda, hata unapata kuna wanafunzi hawajaingia mashule ya grade 10 wanahitaji hizi bursaries ambao wanatoka katika familia maskini ziwasaidie katika masomo yao.
Mheshimiwa Alpha Miluka, tafadhali waachilie hizo bursaries ili ziweze kutusaidia. Semester imeanza na tunahitaji hiyo malipo ndio tuendelee na masomo yetu. Tusipolipa hatuendelee na semester. So Mheshimiwa Alpha Miluka, zenye ulituma hao watu wako akitukufurahisha kabisa juu ya wasasi wetu huko venye walisukumana. That was very long. So my humble request is that Mheshimiwa waachilie hizo bursaries ili siweze kutusaidia.
This action yenye ilikuwa huko, Mheshimiwa anafaa kuambiwa, ama wale watu wake wenye wanapeana bursary waambiwe waache kuchukua wazazi wenye walichukua, so that aike watu wengine wenye wanapeana bursary vizuri. Alafu hizo bursary make sure zimefikia wanafunzi wote, kwa sababu kama mimi hapa sijalipa fee, niko na fee arrears mingi yanafaa kulipa, na hiyo bursary ingekuwa inanisaidia. So we condemn this action. Mheshimiwa Alpha Miluka, peana bursary.
Mancho murigeria togotikana na yo hichisemi bono togoswa asensemo yobochenu asomo bisomo nena se izara yobochenu Mary Modoni haesokire na kurukubuye guchase abasubati na bana banyaruka koneke bunangwe soke baregenkyo na gokorwa okorengwa ande mono asamaroire buna bori bwa cancer kero mutinyi boko ubeka oko bosoko inyoria igoro yoborire bwa cervical cancer Modoni ni gatebire oboriro obwo boise konyara koba bokorengwa chinga kichiagenkyo nigo burache koba bokurwariwa akwenekia abananchi ngobwena bare hasaburira abananchi abange baisoke na kwerikia inse yomurubiri obwoko bwatoko bokonye bubwene kurwa serikali osha.
Cervical cancer is affecting many women in different ways, and one of it being the social and economic concern, because when it affects women in their most productive years, then the productivity, whether it is in regards to children or economy, it goes down. And again, many patients are mothers and caregivers. Many patients are women who have children who are going to school. Many patients are women who are at their early age of production. They have husbands. Therefore, it really impacts on families and the livelihoods of ourselves. Kenya is very committed to the global goal of eliminating cervical cancer as a public health problem. And as I have highlighted before, 90% of HPV vaccination to our young girls who are below 14 years, screening, voluntary screening for our women between the ages of 25 and 49 years, and that takes 70% of that. If we are able to screen them, no woman should die. No woman should die out of a preventable disease. No woman should die when we can vaccinate the girls early. No woman should die when the disease is treatable. It can be prevented, it can be detected early, and it can be treated. At the moment, SHA has a package of 800,000 for treatment of cancer, and that should be a motivation that if you are sick, then you must be treated. HPV vaccination protects girls early, and HPV vaccine prevents cervical cancer and is very safe and effective. There has been a lot of talk here and there, and a lot of hullabaloo around it. But I want to confirm to the members of public that HPV vaccination is very, very safe. As long as it is coming from the Ministry of Health, then that is a safe vaccination.
Mwancho murigereria no tuikomweria sensemeiga entangani yemesema yakurwa ensoko ensa eyamo tuskare togosoa chiduka kegonkwirana ndase kagetari getamba sensemo yakabere togentrego sangamange.
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Abanda abange bakure because wesibole mochiko kumoita
what a right yokubaboli ngangi bakoneli obolemo
paka abandi bakoliga n'emioro no ichire nyumba umuntu nsechindo ndoko koro konya okole pita bwati gende bweita
Amakweli yo gwichanya chisege okwego kyo konge no bolebi no gutumya amaryogo yo gutindia
barenge kenywe kya
Chingo machintindi kubwatekane mebasokano y'ekibara wetrasi chipigipigi ogotama na kubura kuro chinka chiabo asemya kemenge
bandigireza abana bagwakagenda bakabona itana gocha baka abana bakaba abantu abana
amuno butakobwere negative korwa bigendere tukubwaterania abasai bari bakonya marimo ase chinsemo ao imeyorogomo wagusi
gakoni litanga chibese iki ali echiere eliakabere nache naenda arorenga nali gusukia keiga osebese nenkonye kwanyora naende oniri eliakabere bone kera oniri obolimo lero muna marimo akeire kwanyora obolimo bwakorireki bwaerire nekera obolimo bwaerire bogimba bono mbo yesari omonto ogenda nebisima rende tokunyete oigore gesima osoime
ine ningi kusikiagarire bikoro bunebi kogenderera kuiremeri omurike ito bobo nengia Daniel Omwaga nega iremeri gotukuria asobweme na gwasyo kinganeye teneni
buri abantu bari ground ngaki ine obole moboiga mbuota mangana dons kugarega na bagota binga yayo boiga mbuota bina abantu barwanire mu kiyoga abantu bayitanire
tomo cyo gusonche getesini kiao kia bene Ensoko TV ime iyo murogelyo bw'umugondo bw'amakweli bwerere maiso marore no bwichanire bikorwe bi Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Omukubyo neritwo abagenwa abange kurwa chikansa ao bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetera amatera amansu ibibungo naboigo amarandia imegata seni Ensoko TV tuchikumirana kera ritwo rya Jumapili jakera chinsa 12 cha mambia weka chinsa inye zinyari komotogia munguru naboigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni Ensoko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Magega ya televishoni Ensoko gwikasero yao kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete senambeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono nabokonyoribaga lya bene liyokuralia asegete senieke aseriguri liyakibusani turikere gose twakere simigwetire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662 onye kubwateri iborio obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro y'emiroberi yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri ukuri email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service ite gutuka samagacho hazina towers egoroba ya gatanu narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV uboroso bw'omuguse.
Iyo di tarumbeta ya pili ekinege chule ya gatatu wewe yo kobugibune kinere besa koigwa eba koboria kajumongino yego kuona korwa Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Yani karibu kobegete TV yao nyomba igokorigereria kende gyosi getayo yani mokuna nonye ne irio erigerere tigoro yani mbari kobwa mbabwati mangana agwanchereria mbabwati mangana ariyo kobiza gose yo gokenga ni yo komenterania ebago soki kerikerororo
Eye Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Pancho Murigaria, karibu sana sensemega ya kabere ya mesa ya mayakuru Ensoko ensa mombi ya mono asoko vendra gosangana intwe na bono togosuka bosio gokomanya haya aenekiwa segitukeriga togosuka sensemo ya siasa bono kubagekana nigo kogandata kwenekiwa asekiama kia ODM hase igati yabarai hane mono kurwa sorgongoro Western Kenya baisokire na komo chuborai bwabono bwekiamekyo hase batebirenga nigo butarabika omukia gokwenekia gosonsora engusanano na boigo imechando yegandrate kwenekiwa asekiamekyo ya ODM.
Sisi tuko katika chama cha ODM. Mimi ndio chama cha ODM. Lakini heshima inatuudhi ya kwamba party leader wetu amekaa, Oparanya anatusiwa. Chair lady Mama Gladys Wanga amekaa, Oparanya anafanya nini? Na wanacheka meni. Tunawaambia kwamba siku nyingine mkurudi hapa kuja kutusi Oparanya, ile mbio mtaenda, hamtaangalia nyuma tena.
Tumekuwa kwa chama ya ODM kwa muda mrefu. Sisi tumepigia Raila Amolo Odinga kura kwa muda mrefu. Uwezi kuja mkutano kama huu utangaze Ngabina Bwire, alafu ruke uende hapo Kakamega utangaze Parasa. Unafanya nani mjinga wewe? Hiyo isiposuluhishwa saa hii kitaeleweka.
Mambo ya pesa imeharibu viongozi. Viongozi anaenda hapa anaongea jambo lingine, akisoka hapa kwa sababu amepewa pesa, kichwa imechanganyika. Anaongea mengine kwa sababu ya pesa. Haya mambo ambayo naona saa hii si kuona wakati wa marehemu Raila Amolo Odinga. Raila Amolo Odinga alikuwa mtu wa msimamo. Akisema jambo ni hilo. Hata kipata anataka kubadilisha paka console. Asema nilikuwa nimesema hivi lakini nimeona hivi kwa sababu ya hii.
Togosuka bosio mwancho Murigaria mwaziri hotendreta mangana ichinguru chomoro Westima Opiyo Wandayi gukwana sensemo ya Ukambani nigaruro kuboria gochase abana inchi naboigo abarai abachorre kurwa sensemo yogo chamo abo kwaneke bona kubwatisia bare serikali ya Kenya Kwanza iri gwikirane obakorera iborobya naboiga magendro ase abana inchi hasoboiga kwanire Mheshimiwa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka uyoro morai kurwa sorogongorwa nabegete mirobirio yogo chia goikaransa na gusanga ne serikali buna amagendro no barayo bya brache kwaneke wasaba menye bensemeye.
Kumbuka mimi kabla niwe waziri nilikuwa bunge. Na mimi nilikuwa kiongozi wa Azimio kule bungeni. Huyu Mwaleka alikuwa mwanachama wangu kule bungeni. Lakini kwa juhudi za Mheshimiwa Rais na hayati Baba Raila Amolo Odinga na viongozi wengine wakaamua ya kwamba lazima tuje pamoja, tufanye kazi pamoja ili nchi isonge mbele. Na katika hiyo safari lazima kila mtu ajumuishwe. Mimi na mbele pia tutafanya kazi pamoja na viongozi wote, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo akiwa mmoja wao, ili tusonge mbele tukiwa kitu kimoja.
Tokokoro Mwanchu Morigereria umurai w'ikiama kia Roots Party of Kenya Mheshimiwa Wajackoyah George nigaesokire na gwakira umurai wense ya Kenya Mosque William Ruto na serikali ya Kenya kwanza munambu ya mona soko beke sekta y'uburendi ande mono hase ukurigereria imeroberio y'abasigari na kubanyura ase imeroberio yabo ya kirari tukocinga kicho Wajackoyah boigo ni gatebire nagendrete kurigereria hekerengero gyo guchiakonekia na chikunyara kobaka gwesoya ase ukurigia ikirgo ky'uburai bwensa sobochorio bonne bari bosio mwako gocha.
My brother Patrick Tito during this painful moment.
Kwa miaba chama wetu Bwana Mwania angeweza kufika, lakini kwa vile kijana yake ni mtu wa muhimu, na ninaomba Mungu hivi karibuni kama Mungu anaangalia hapo tu, labda kutakuwa sijui kama mmenisikia, mmesikia ama mjasikia, na hiyo sauti Mungu aisikie, ndio mahali mama atajua kwamba Wajackoyah alitoka Mumias akaja hapa akakutana na ndugu yake Masengeli na akakuta wale wakubwa wa polisi including Mama Olo Aringo. Huyo mama alikuwa mkubwa wangu, hebu simama tu. Alistaafu akiwa Senior Assistant Commissioner of Police. Na wale wote ambao walikuwa wakubwa wangu ambao wamestaafu wako hapa. I think I was a good product. The world of police from constable to an OCS. Yote. It shaped my thinking. It made me to be who I am. And huyu mama ni mama yangu because amezaa mtu yetu. Kwa maana I protect the police wherever they are. Najua wengi wenu mnaangalia askari tu. Mnaangalia askari wakati mko na makosa ndio mnaenda mahali huko. A police officer should be nurtured, treasured, recognized and accepted by society. And that's what I would like to thank His Excellency the President for taking care of our police. And I would like him to take more care for our police service, because they do a good job and they make us to be who we are today.
Mwanchu Morigereria chiraika chabtukire 33 igoro yensa emo no tuwikira umwerio asemesemo ya kurenso kensemo no gusaba kwadenga gwesemire na kwimanya aya aina kiwe komanyanga nandike koroga chinsa isato ndochiko yanyora nanda senchira yubuikira no kurinda saboneka gendra gutwara himarogoba ingia na kogendra kwegokia nimirobere gendra tasembeo yensoko TV jenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi Felistas Kabendi na boigo Brian Chaka na ubanko nyakwena kiamero gine chibicha gochara senchira ingia.